Are you a beginner trader seeking a straightforward yet profitable strategy to kickstart your journey? And this video will introduce you to two powerful free tools and guide you through customizing them to create winning combination. This strategy has helped us achieve an impressive 694% profit in just 12 weeks. So to learn how you can replicate these results, make sure to watch the entire video. We'll show you how to set up these indicators, demonstrate how to make successful trade using the strategy, and finally, we'll put the strategy to the test so you can witness its potential for yourself. So head over to the TradingView.com and select any chart you prefer, whether it's Forex, crypto, or stock. For this tutorial, we recommend using 5 or 15-minute time frame. Here, we'll use the Bitcoin 15-minute chart as an example. Next, navigate to the indicator section and search for the STD filtered impole Gaussian filter in the search bar. From the results, choose this one to add it to your chart. Alright buddy, let me tell you about this super cool and simple indicator called the STD filtered indicator. It's got this colored line and colored candle bars that makes it a breeze to follow. Plus it marks entry points with L for long and S for short, so you don't have to guess. When the line and candle bars turn from red to green, that's your signal to go long, which means it will be a good time to buy, and you'll see an L on the chart, so you can't miss it. On the other hand, when the line and candle bars switch from green to red, that's a short signal. That's when you might want to think about selling. The chart will show you an S to help you spot these moments. Hold on though, before we dive in, we need to tweak the indicator a bit to make it work like a charm. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Just follow my lead. Remember, I will also turn the STD line off to keep the chart nice and clean for you. But keep this in mind, trading solely based on one indicator is not wise, so we need a confirmation indicator. But before we move on to using a confirmation indicator, I want to share some exciting news with you. Here at TradeGenius, we've been working hard to develop over 300 profitable trading strategies tailored to different trading styles. Our YouTube channel is packed with an insightful content, so be sure to subscribe and explore our channel to find the strategies that fit your trading approach. And if you found this video useful so far, we really appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up by liking the video. Your support means a lot to us and motivates us to continue creating valuable content for traders like you. Moving on, let's add another powerful tool to our strategy, the MACD plus SMA 200 strategy indicator. This awesome indicator combines the classical MACD, moving average convergence divergence, with the 200 period simple moving average or SMA indicator. To add it to your chart, simply head to the indicator section at the top of the TradingView and search for MACD plus SMA 200 strategy. Alright, now the indicator is added to your chart. Let's optimize our MACD SMA 200 strategy by adjusting the settings. This will help us determine the trend direction more accurately. Head to the settings menu for the indicator and we'll walk you through the tweaks together. So now with our indicators all set up, it's time to learn the profitable way to trade using the strategy. To enter a buy trade, first look for a buy signal, an L printed on a chart by the steady filter indicator. Next, we need to make sure we're trading in the same direction as the trend. To do this, check all the moving average lines and the signal candles close price are above all the moving averages. If you see a buy signal and the trend is pointing upward, you can confidently enter the buy trade. To manage risk, set a stop loss for the trade using a recent swing low or one of the moving averages as a reference point. For an effective exit strategy, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This will help you balance potential profits with risk management. And to execute sell trades using the strategy, follow these steps. First, look for a sell signal, an S printed on the chart by the steady filter indicator. Next, confirm that you're trading in the same direction as the downtrend. Check all the moving average lines and the signal candles close price are below all the moving averages. So, if you see a sell signal and the trend is pointing downward, you can confidently enter the sell trade. And to manage risk, set a stop loss for the trade using the recent swing high or one of the moving averages as a reference point. And for effective exit strategy and profit, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This will help you balance potential profits with risk management. Now that we've got over ins and outs of both buy and sell trade rules, it's time to share the exciting results of our backtesting. We put this strategy on the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame and a trusty risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The outcome? Brace yourself for some serious impressive numbers. Out of 300 trades, we saw a fantastic 68% win rate and a mind-blowing total profit of 694%. During the 30-week testing period, we witnessed an incredible streak of 11 consecutive wins against only 6 consecutive losses. But there's more. The profit factor, which compares profit to loss, came in at a solid 3.19, and the max drawdown stayed low at just 5.85%. These results showcase the potential power of our strategy when applied to real trading situations. With these remarkable findings, we can encourage you to explore the strategy further and see how it can enhance your trading success. It's time to take your trading game to new heights.